like a warm campfire on a mild summer night. Okay, this is not really a campfire. It's daytime and it's kind of hot out here, but it's enough to get me fired up for an event happening this weekend called the Wicomico Backyard Bonfire. And here to tell us more is Jamie Nichols. She is program director with Wicomico County Recreation Parks and Tourism. Jamie? Oh, there you are. Hey.
How are you?
I am great. I see you have a campfire there as well.
I do. This is our indoor campfire today.
Yeah. Now, last time we talked, we were talking about the forts that we made in our living rooms, and we both had blanket forts. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah, that was a great time for us too, and we had a lot of responses, and we had 3 winners that all got dinners out to different restaurants locally, so that worked out really well. We had a lot of fun with that.
So tell me about what's going on now.
So now we're doing a countywide backyard bonfire night. We thought it would be fun to get everybody out of the houses because, you know, we've all been cooped up for so long. But if you can't get outside, you can still do it inside, like my example here. And it's just, again, another event to bring your family together. We've actually tied it in with another contest that we're doing. We're doing a ghost story writing competition. So if you want, you can enter into our ghost story competition, and whoever has some of the best ghost stories, we're going to read them that night at the campfire.
Oh, that sounds like a lot of fun. Now, I mean, ghost stories can be pretty frightening, can't they?
They can be, but they can also be fun and silly too, and have fun twists. So we're looking for people all ages to write your own unique story that you think would be fun and enter it into our contest, and hopefully we'll get to read some of them around our fire.
Now, do you expect to have people outside and with real big bonfires during this occasion?
No, I mean, you don't have to have a real big fire. We're going to probably be using a fire pit that we have. So anybody that's got a nice little fire pit, everybody's got different types. And like I said, if you don't have a fire pit, you can make one at home. We use this one inside here with some sticks, big sticks from outside, and some tissue paper and a little light inside, and that kind of gives you the same ambiance as being outside.
So as you show us there, you have your setup inside. So if the weather is bad, you can do it inside?
If the weather is bad, we're going to figure something else out. Yep.
So give us the details. When is this all happening?
So basically, we're going to be doing it on Friday night from 6:30 to 7:30, 8 o'clock. We're kind of just going to play it a little bit by ear and see how the weather is and everything works with us. We're going to show everybody beginningly how to start a campfire. We're going to have a s'more contest. We are going to be playing some games, and it's just kind of a meet and greet with our rec department so everybody can kind of see us. And we're going to try to be a little interactive with everybody, so we want everybody to send us in their pictures of their families at their fires, having a good time.
And of course, this is Wicomico County, but you don't have to live in Wicomico County to participate, do you?
Absolutely not. You can live in any county, in any state, anywhere. It's just something fun that we're putting out, and because we are the Wicomico County Rec and Park Department, you know, we just kind of label it after our own name.
Jamie Nichols with Wicomico County Recreation Parks and Tourism. Thank you so much for joining me this afternoon.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm going to roast my little fake marshmallow now, I think.
Sounds great.